Vacation packing. It can drive you insane. What to pack, how much to pack, what is it going to cost me to check all this luggage? You have come to the right place because I am going to tell you my top 10 tips for carry-on only. Let's get right into it. My number one tip is pack light clothing. The lighter the materials of your clothing, the more you can pack. Tip number 2, don't overpack. We've all seen this saying. It holds more merit than you think. Tip number 3, pack solid colors and mix and match pieces. That way, you can create quite a few outfits for your vacation. And moving right along to tip number 4, use compression or vacuum sealer bags to pack your clothing for your carry-on only. That way you have a lot more room in your carry-ons for other things that need to be packed. Tip number 5, I would suggest packing travel size toiletries. If you have a preference of shampoos, conditioners, hair creams, soaps, pack travel size toiletries. That way, on your way back, you'll have extra room in your luggage for souvenirs. Next tip would have to be wear your heaviest clothing on the plane. If you have a favorite pair of jeans that you love and you would like to carry them with you, wear them on the plane. The same goes for tennis shoes. They can be bulky and heavy. They take up a lot of room in your carry-on, so wear them on the plane. I would also suggest wearing a jacket on the plane. That way you have a jacket for those chilly nights, wherever you may be on vacation. And it also does get cold on the plane, so you will probably be happy you have that jacket with you. My next tip would be, if you decided to wear those heavy jeans on the plane, to pack a comfy outfit in an accessible carry-on of yours that you can easily find and pull out your comfy outfit. Maybe some yoga pants, sweatpants, comfy t-shirt you can change right before you're boarding. Yeah, that would be my suggestion. And my next tip would be to pack a soft bag. That way you can bring back extra souvenirs, extra things you've purchased. If you decide not to pack a soft bag to carry, by the way, I do have a soft bag here at home that I will show you. This is my little soft bag that I'm going to be taking along with us on our 8-week adventure starting in June. It has wheels, as you can see, and it is very soft and compact. So I will show you now how simple it is to open it up, and that way you can also see the size of it. It's a pretty nice size. So that's one bag to consider to take with you on your next adventure. If you decide not to carry a small bag with you, my next tip would be to buy a cheap bag, buy a cheap piece of luggage on your last day or two on vacation, and that way you can always pack your dirty clothes in there, especially if you want to keep your souvenirs with you and your carry-ons to keep them safe, to send home, check in at the airport. That way you only have to pay for one piece of luggage. That would be another idea. And for my last tip, since you're carry-on only and you really won't have as many pieces of clothing as you probably would have if you checked a lot of luggage, I would suggest doing laundry while you're on vacation. A lot of hotels will offer laundry services. They seem relatively cheap, and if you prefer to do your own laundry, you can wash in the room. Make sure that you order some laundry detergent sheets. You can find them on Amazon, Walmart, Target, just to name a few places. And that's about it for my top tips for carry-on only. Carry-on only. It saves you time, it saves you money, and it enables you to keep all of your belongings with you at all times. So, are you ready to join me in trying the carry-on only way? Let me know in the comments if you've enjoyed this video. I really do appreciate all of my viewers. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.